Money doesn't have to be boring math lessons. What if your kids could play their way into smart saving and even beginner investing? Today, I'll show you 5 super easy money games you can start at home to build financial confidence while having fun as a family. First up, the Coin Sorter Challenge. Grab a pile of loose change and let your child sort it into 3 jars: save, spend, and share. This teaches them early that money has different jobs. Bonus tip: match every coin they put in the save jar to double their excitement about saving. Second, the Sticker Store. Create a mini shop at home with low-cost items like stickers or small toys. Give your child play money, or better yet, real coins, and let them decide what to buy. This teaches budgeting and decision-making. Do they spend it all now or save for something bigger next time? Third, the investment marble race. Set up 2 marble tracks. One track is slow and steady. The other is fast, but risky. Let kids race marbles to see that sometimes the safe track wins over the risky one. It's a simple way to spark conversations about long-term investing versus short-term gambling. Fourth, the family bank. Become your child's banker for the week. If they lend you $5 of their allowance, promise to return $5.50 at the end of the week. This makes compound interest real, not just something they'll learn in a textbook 10 years from now. And finally, the Dream Board Challenge. Have your child create a vision board with things they want to save for, maybe a bike, a trip, or even college. Connect each dream to a savings jar. Suddenly, money isn't abstract. It's a tool for reaching real goals. So, there you have it. 5 fun money games to turn everyday moments into financial lessons for life. Start small, keep it playful, and watch your kids build habits that last forever. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Wealthwise Media, and share this video with a parent who wants to raise money-smart kids.